A little bit about knee arthroscopy and the world we live in today with, is it the diminishing role of knee arthroscopy, increasing role? You know, where are we going with this? So much the same as Dr. Neuwirth, we're going to talk about some stuff. These are my disclosures, not much to do with this talk. So let's start out with a little bit of a case as well. So in my office, 75-year-old male presents with left knee pain. He's obviously very, very active. About a year and a half ago, he was up on his roof fixing his shingles. Saw a local orthopedist in New Jersey, did an MRI. This is the MRI that we see. It shows a large medial meniscus tear. He's done all the usual stuff, tried some PT, tried some NSAIDs. So I don't know how obvious it is with this image, but we'll show a couple more images. This is his further imaging. So you look, you see we've got an X-ray, maybe starting to show a little bit of medial compartment narrowing. The MRI definitely shows a large tear. For the most part, he's got some cartilage in that medial side. Lateral side looks totally intact. Patellofemoral joint's totally intact as well. ACL is intact. So I just want to throw this out to the group. How many of the sports surgeons out there are doing arthroscopic meniscectomies? No, in general. I mean, where's the whole sports team here? Thank you, Dr. Fabian. Somebody's stepping up. Rob. So obviously you know a little bit of the subject of this talk. So treatment options, more injections,